Hi Tyler, Aaron here from Taylor & Sons Chevrolet, doing a walk around video of our 2011 Silverado 1500 extended cab for you. For a 2011, she's really clean, looks really good. I'm just going to go over a few of the things that I can see that you might want to know about before you show up, but really great looking vehicle. So here she is from afar. Coming in here, I'm going to start from the driver's side, running boards and everything, and the chrome looks really good for a 2011. No rust or anything on those running boards. One thing to point out is this has 20-inch chrome rims, and they look really good. The spokes look really good, but there is some pitting and corrosion on the underside of the brake rotors and things on the inside of the rims. Let's see if I can get in there. And that's on all four. I'll go around and show you. But they look pretty good from the spokes perspective, and on the underside and like the undercarriage looks really clean. Not a lot of body rust or anything like that for 2011. Coming out. The biggest thing I think as far as defects to point out to you is this little scuff. Well, it's right there on the front bumper. It's not a dent. It's like they brushed something pretty good on that though, and did leave that scuff right there. Backing away. Again, the chrome bumper in the front and the whole front fascia of the vehicle looks really good. Doesn't look like it had been driven behind something throwing a bunch of rock at it or anything. It's not got any blemishes or anything in the chrome. Engine bay. Again, looks really clean, especially for 2011. Again, looks really good. Close this hood here. There's this one little rock ding right there, and just a few other very minor rock dings on the front, but for 2011, again, looks really good. Coming around to the passenger side. Now there is ever so lightly, and I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this in the video, there's some very, very light, like they went down a road with some brush and it left a very, very faint line down the side here. Not even sure if that'll come across in the video. Might even be able to be buffed out, but again, here's the passenger side front rim and tire. There you can see some of that, like I said, corrosion and pitting on the inside of the rim. Tires itself look really good condition. Underside, again, looks really clean for 2011 on the underside of the vehicle, and kind of impressive, really. Bed rails on this one. Bed mat, not a spray-on bed liner, but a bed mat in the rear. Again, here's the rear wheel. And on the underside, like I said, you can see the frame and everything in really good condition. Backing up, again, the rear bumper, good condition, chrome, shiny and bright, no pitting or blistering. Tow package on there. Obviously a tiny bit of rust in the receiver on the inside. And open that puppy up, there's that bed liner, or a bed mat as it were. Doesn't look like anything was banging around or rolling around in the back. The bed looks really good. Alright, working around. Here's that rear driver's side tire again. Same thing. Going around. Okay, and then working over to the inside of the vehicle. Just like the exterior for 2011, she's really clean. So this is the driver's side door. Door panels, clean. Pull the key so you don't have to listen to the dinging. But the dash, gauges, information center, everything is in really good condition. No dings or scratches. Actually looks really nice. Seats again, 2011 model, they're in surprisingly good condition. I mean, you can tell they've been sat in, but at the same time they look really, really good. And this is the split bench seating that flips up. Again, really good. All right, and that is an extended cab. So opening this up, here's the rear extended cab door. Looks good. That rear seating. Very clean. Comes with some floor mats down there. Carpet in between. Everything looks really, really good. And those fold up. Underneath looks really good as well. Alright, close this up. I'll work around to the passenger side. Mirrors, again, like the backs of those look good. Doesn't look like they were run through anything. Door jambs, everything doesn't look like they were run in or hit by anything or closed on anything. Floor mats, seats, and the rear extended cab door. Looks really good. Close that puppy up. Well, Tyler, there you have it. It's our 2011 Silverado 1500 extended cab. Thanks for your interest. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All right. Aaron signing off for Taylor & Sons. Thank you.